Primetime news this evening. No teacher migration crisis. Minister of Education seeks to allay fears ahead of new school year. Experts insist electric vehicles are safe. And pollster Don Anderson confirms credibility of recent polls.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, it's Wednesday, so of course I'll have the latest gas prices and also scores of Jamaicans turned out to pay their respects to the late Lascelles Chin. So those stories and more in the business day a little later on.
Thanks, Javon. And Jermaine Brown is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Well, thank you, Archie. And speaking of scores, the Reggae Boys, well, they're leading Trinidad and Tobago 2-0 at sports time there at the CONCACAF Gold Cup in the USA. We'll have updates on that and a whole lot more a bit later on.
Really hoping they can keep or extend that lead. Romaine Robinson is also here with a preview of the weather report and the forecast.
Thanks, Andrea. We are expecting more showers and thunderstorms tomorrow as we move into this week and the end of this week. We're still expecting that tropical wave to be moving very close to the island on the weekend.
Thank you. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, have you seen improvements in garbage collection in your community?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns with all of us right after this break.